common problem we deal with here in Cache Valley especially is blossom end rot on tomato plants. Here I have a beautiful tomato plant really starting to grow. It's even got some blossoms coming on it right there. But when the fruit develops, if the plant is lacking calcium, and calcium doesn't move very quickly through the plant, and so we have a lot of calcium naturally in our soil, but it's so slow to move in the plant. What will happen is it will work its way all the way through the plant, get out to where the fruit's formed on the blossoms, and it can't quite get all the way to the end of the fruit where the blossom is, and you get these sunken brown spots on the tomatoes, and they'll turn brown. They're just right on the bottom, right where the blossom is. That's why it's called blossom end rot, and it's a disease that we see in a lot of tomatoes. And it doesn't hurt the tomato, but you basically have to cut off and sacrifice part of your tomato because it's just not edible. Calcium nitrate is a great way to prevent that from happening. You want to do it in advance. Even when, just shortly after you've planted your tomatoes, a teaspoon of the calcium nitrate on the ground around the plant, and then again about a month later will completely cure, however we want to describe it, the blossom end rot on your tomatoes. And calcium, like I said, doesn't move very quickly through the plant, and so the calcium nitrate, the calcium's piggybacked on top of the nitrogen, and the plants love the nitrogen. They'll pull the nitrogen through the plant very quickly because they want to utilize that nutrient. Well, the calcium's attached to the nitrogen, so it pulls it right along with it, gets it all the way out to the ends of the blossoms where that's going to cause problems. The yield booster, also from Fertilome, is a liquid form of calcium which you can spray on the plant. So it comes ready to use in a trigger sprayer, or it comes concentrated. You can use it in your own sprayer, and you would basically just spray it all over the plant once every 2 weeks for about 2 or 3 applications to get that calcium built up inside the plant to prevent that blossom end rot from happening. So there's some great options for you to prevent blossom end rot. By the time you see it, it's too late. The damage has already been done. So we want to do that preventatively, and we can keep your tomatoes looking great with a little bit of nitrogen from the calcium nitrate and prevent that blossom end rot from happening on your tomatoes.